Hey, it's Gina from WTI. You know what really bums me out? Having dull knives in the kitchen when I need to cut through something quickly and easily. I love using my knives now that I have this Presto knife sharpener. I found the process was really quick. I did wear an anti-cut glove because safety should be first. I was able to use this for all the knives in my kitchen. There's 3 stages to the process and the instructions are so clear. I just felt like a professional knife sharpener going through each of the different sections. Just as an example, you can see the difference before I used the knife sharpener with how difficult it was, how much pressure I had to put into cutting through a tomato or an onion. And now with them being sharp, I don't have to put much pressure on it, which of course is a lot safer. I appreciated that the unit itself is not heavy. I was able to move it around really easily. It does have sections on the bottom that help to grip the counter. It's not going to suction on so strong that it won't move, but it definitely keeps it in place as you're sharpening. Now, I've used other knife sharpeners in the past that are not electric, and I just don't get a fine edge on them, and they don't do the job. This does. I cannot believe what a difference it's made in making my knives the way that they should be, just the way they were when I bought them. There's no reason why you shouldn't have sharp knives too. This Presto knife sharpener is professional. It's going to take your cutting skills up to the next level. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.